Today, we're diving into the truth about certain foods that have been linked to cancer risk. If you're serious about your health, you'll want to avoid these foods, or at least limit them significantly. Let's break down why. Number 1. Processed meats. Research from the World Health Organization classifies processed meats like bacon, sausages, and deli meats as Group 1 carcinogens, meaning there is strong evidence they can cause cancer, especially colorectal cancer. Studies show that regularly consuming these meats can increase cancer risk by up to 18%. The problem lies in preservatives and chemicals like nitrates and nitrites, which are often added to processed meats and can form carcinogenic compounds when cooked at high temperatures. Number 2. Sugary beverages and refined sugars. High sugar intake found in sodas, candy, and other sugary foods is linked to obesity, a well-known cancer risk factor. Obesity-related cancers include liver, breast, and pancreatic cancers. Consuming refined sugars can lead to rapid insulin spike and inflammation, which have been associated with a high risk of certain cancers. A study from the American Cancer Society found that women who consumed high amounts of sugar had a 27% higher risk of developing breast cancer. Number 3. Red meat. Although red meat is a good source of protein and iron, studies suggest that eating large quantities can increase the risk of colon and prostate cancer. A study in JAMA Oncology noted that individuals who ate red meat frequently had a 20% increased risk of colorectal cancer compared to those who ate it sparingly. The risk escalates when red meat is cooked at high temperatures, like grilling or frying, because it produces carcinogenic chemicals like heterocyclic amines. Number 4. Fried foods. When foods are fried at high temperature, a compound called acrylamide forms, which is classified as a probable human carcinogen by the International Agency for Research on Cancer. Common fried foods like French fries, potato chips, and fried chicken are often cooked in unhealthy oils that degrade when heated, producing harmful compounds that may increase cancer risk, especially for breast, ovarian, and endometrial cancers. Quick joke break from my daughter. What do you call it when a cow grows facial hair? A moustache. She always nails it. Alright, now back to it. Number 5. Alcohol. Excessive alcohol intake is linked to a variety of cancers, including mouth, throat, liver, colon, and breast cancers. The American Cancer Society reports that alcohol consumption accounts for about 6% of all cancers and 4% of all cancer death. The ethanol in alcohol breaks down an acetaldehyde, a toxic chemical that can damage DNA and proteins, contributing to cancer development. Number 6. Highly processed foods. Foods high in additives, artificial colors, and preservatives like packaged snacks, instant noodles, and sugary cereals can lead to increased inflammation and insulin resistance, both of which are risk factors for cancer. A French study published in BMJ found that a 10% increase in consumption of ultra-processed foods was associated with more than a 10% increase in the risk of breast cancers. Number 7. Artificial sweeteners. While research is still evolving, some studies suggest that certain artificial sweeteners, particularly aspartame and sucralose, may increase cancer risk by causing changes in gut bacteria and inflammation. Animal studies have raised concerns that artificial sweeteners may have carcinogenic effects, though more human studies are needed. Recap and takeaway. To recap, limiting processed meats, sugary beverages, red meat, fried foods, alcohol, highly processed snacks, and artificial sweeteners can significantly decrease cancer risk. Prioritizing a diet filled with whole, nutrient-dense foods like fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and whole grains can reduce inflammation and support overall health. If you found this breakdown useful, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more and let me know if there's a topic you want me to cover next. You can also follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook for daily insights into nutrition and health. Remember, making better food choices can change your health.